Good evening, Moksha. Moksha, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Just in 1 minute, we are starting with the class. So, in the last class, we were doing the colorful world, and we had almost finished that chapter. Today, we will be discussing with the eye defects. We will discuss human eye and eye defect, the part of the chapter. Okay, let's continue now. So, with force and sorry, with human eye and colorful world, we were about to discuss the eye defects. Okay, so first of all, has everyone understood the previous topic, the colorful one? That is, we had seen why the sky appears blue. We had seen the dispersion of light and the rainbow formation. We have also seen uh, scattering of light. We have also seen Tyndall effect, right? Then we have seen twinkling of stars. So, is there any doubt from all the topics which we have done? Okay. Uh, yeah, someone has any doubts? Okay, there is wants some time. Fine. Let's continue from the human eye. So first of all, I would like all of you to draw the diagram of human eye quickly. All of you quickly draw the diagram of human eye. All of you just start drawing the diagram of human eye. First of all, our eye is we call it as eyeball, which is a little bit spherical, almost spherical in shape. Okay, so draw the diagram of human eye and label all its parts. So our eye level here, you need to answer it. Just you also draw it, please. Okay, so this is our human eye, and now you'll be labeling all the spots that I'll just mark with an arrow, and all of you are supposed to tell me the names of those parts. And within 1 minute, so all of you be active and responsive, and I'm asking, do respond it quickly. So I think now everyone will be able to label it, and to whomever I'm asking, please respond it. So this is part one, part two, three, four, and you see, I think everything is visible clearly now. Everyone can mark it. Okay. So I want answers from all of you. Shubham, Shubham Singh, Shubhang?
sir.
Okay. What will you label the part 1 as?
So part one retina.
Retina, very good. So part 1 is retina. Moksha,
Yes, sir.
what is part 2?
Ciliary muscles.
Part 2 is ciliary. Very good. Okay. Then Aryan,
Yes, sir.
part part 7,
Pupil.
pupil. Okay. Then let's say who is there. Yeah, Sumit. Sumit. Okay, so what is this? Yeah, Sumuk. 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 Sumuk, are you there? Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, part 5.
Sir, vitreous humor.
Vitreous humor. Good. And Siddhisri. Siddhisri. Siddhisri.
Sir,
Yes.
you called, no, sir.
Yeah, obviously I was calling you. I was next to type your name in the group.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So be quick, Siddhisri, and be responsive. Now, what will you label part 8? Siddhisri, what will you label part 8 as? Yeah, Siddhisri. Sumuk. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Aqueous.
Yeah, Siddhisri, what's your answer for part 8?
Sir, aqueous something.
Aqueous. No, part 8 is not aqueous humor. Just let me make it a little bit clear. I want this blue portion, the one that's marked with blue. So what is the name for that? Siddharth?
Sir, that is iris.
Iris, very good.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, Huria Ishak, fine. Huria Ishak, I asked you to label the diagram and I have already drawn a diagram over here. Okay, so I want you to name all these portions and that's what I am asking to each one of you. Okay, so just everyone be attentive in answering these points. What will we call this?
Good evening,
Point
sir.
number 6. Yeah, Sumuk, what will be this point number 6? Yeah,
So
Sumuk,
point number 6,
point number 6.
sir, cornea.
No, it's not cornea. See it clearly. Huria Isha?
Aqueous humor.
Yeah, it's aqueous humor. So point number 6 is aqueous humor. Point number 9.
Sir, point number 9 is, I think, cornea.
What is point number 9?
Cornea.
Cornea. Very good. Point number 9 is cornea. And point number 3,
Crystalline lens.
crystalline lens. Very good. Okay, if I want to make point number 4,
Blind spot.
Optic
blind
nerves.
spot. Yes, it's blind spot. Right? Point number 4 is blind spot. And suppose if I make something like this, from here I make these lines.
Optic nerves.
Optic nerves. Very good. So these are the optic nerves. So these, we label them as optic nerves. Okay, so is there anyone, just check out that you know the part name of the part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last part optic nerve, that is part 10. So now if I ask you, I should be getting an answer from everyone. So just see, all the parts are clear to everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So okay. Shubhansh. Shubhansh, start with part 9.
Sir, part
So what do we label part 9 as?
isn't that cornea?
Cornea. Okay. So I label this as cornea. Huria Ishaq, what is part 8?
Iris. Iris.
Yeah, iris. Okay. And what is the next question?
Crystalline lens.
No, after iris, the next arrow. The arrow down the iris.
It's pupil.
How much?
Pupil.
Pupil. Yes, it's pupil. Abhinav,
Yes, sir.
point number 6.
Aqueous humor.
Aqueous humor. Correct. Aqueous humor. Then what is this point number 5? This will be
Vitreous humor.
answered. Yeah,
Vitreous humor.
vitreous humor. Very good. Point number 5 is vitreous humor. Point number 10.
10 is optic nerves.
Optic nerves.
Optic nerve. Okay. So I'm labeling this point 5. Vitreous humor. This is optic nerve. Point number 4. What is point number 4?
Blind spotter.
Blind spot. Okay. Then 3.
Crystalline lens.
Crystalline lens. Okay. So this one is our crystalline lens. Then this one above crystalline lens.
Ciliary
Ciliary
muscle.
muscle. Okay. Ciliary muscles. Okay, then this one above that.
Retina.
Retina, right? So you have this one as a retina. Got it. I hope everyone has understood all the parts of the eye. Now I will ask the functions of each part. Okay. Starting with one by one, you should start answering. So I start with the functions of cornea. Let's try to list out the functions of cornea. And there he will answer. There, what is the function of cornea?
Yes, sir.
What is the function of cornea?
Function of cornea. 1 minute, sir.
Hello?
Oh, sir.
Yeah, cornea.
Yeah, I sent it in the chat box. Can you check if it's correct?
Uh, just speak it up. No,
Okay. It protects the eye lens.
no. Yeah, it is correct. It protects the eyelids. Some other function relating to image formation. Yeah, you are correct. It protects the eyelids. Add something more to it.
Um, Sir, it like maybe it helps in refraction too.
Yes,
Refraction of the
yes,
light.
yes, yes.
And
Very good. So it helps in refraction of light. Very good. So that's what I wanted to hear. It helps in refraction of light. Okay. Then iris. Function of the iris. Abhinav?
Sir, it controls the amount of light entering our eye and gives the color to our eye.
It control the
Amount of light entering our eye.
no. See, actually, it is controlling that function, but not directly.
It increases and decreases the size of pupil depending on the light.
It increases or decreases the size of pupil. Yes, so that is the correct answer. It increases or decreases the size of pupil, or it controls the size of pupil.
And gives color to our eye.
Yes. Yeah, the color to eyes, but that's not a function. So I can write it controls the pupil. Okay, the function of pupil. Siddhisri will answer. Siddhisri, what is the function of pupil? Siddhisri? I think Siddhisri is not here. Sumukh. Sumukh, function of pupil.
Sir, there is a dark muscular diaphragm which
It is
controls the size of pupil.
it controls the size of pupil.
Yes, iris.
Okay.
Sir, it regulates and controls the amount of.
It controls the amount of light entering the eye. It controls the amount of light entering the eye. Then optic nerves. What is the function of the optic nerves? Sumukh, no, not refraction. Okay. Yeah, Sumukh, can you speak up?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which answer you are giving for this?
Sir, I was giving regulates also.
For which, for pupil?
Yes, sir.
See, pupil just controls the amount of light entering the eye. Pupil is that small aperture between the iris. Okay. If you observe your eye from the front, so see, if I observe my eye from the front, so it's something like this.
You
Now
are
see,
not
from the front, my eye looks something
audible.
like this. And in the middle, you have a colored portion in the middle. Okay. So that colored portion in the middle, this colored portion is the iris, and in between you find here a dark portion, right? Something like this. So the dark portion in between which you observe, so this dark portion is the pupil, right? So this dark portion in between, this dark portion is the pupil. Got it? This is
Yes, sir.
pupil. And the outer part of the eye, that is a colored portion, that is your iris. The blue colored portion which you see here, this is iris. What about the white portion that you see around this? What name is given to the white portion?
Crystalline.
No. This white portion, see, everywhere here you find this white portion. Right? Here you find this portion to be white. And this white portion which you observe here, this white portion is called sclera. Okay. If you want to mark your sclera over here, so this is your sclera. These extensions which have been shown here, this is your sclera. So you can also say that your cornea is just an extension of sclera. Got it? Okay, let's say after
Yes.
iris, pupil, cornea, the next is aqueous humor. Okay, let's say function of the ciliary muscles. This is there. Okay, so Shubhansh, what is the function of the ciliary muscles?
Sir, can you repeat?
Function of ciliary muscles.
Ciliary muscle, they change the shape of the lens to help with the focusing of eye.
They change the
Shape of the eye, the focal length.
yes. So we say they adjust the focal length of eye, and Then we have optic nerves. The function of the optic nerves. Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the function of optic nerves?
Sir, they are the receptor nerves that receive the image and transport the image through the nerves to the brain.
Their function is they transmit information from retina to brain. Okay. Then after optic nerves, you have, let's say, retina. So what is the function of retina?
Sir, where the image is formed.
Which one?
Retina, sir.
Okay, it is the place where the
It acts
Image
as a
is
screen.
formed.
image is formed, right?
So it
So
acts as a screen for the image, right?
yeah, it is the screen for the image, or you can also say it has photos. It has photosensitive cells. So we can say retina. It has photosensitive cells. Okay, so retina has photosensitive cells or light sensitive cells, right? So these photosensitive cells or light cells, they are called. What are the types of these photosensitive cells? Yes, Siddharth. Siddharth,
Sir,
yeah. What are the types of these photosensitive cells?
sir, cones and ceiling.
Yeah, what happened? Repeat again.
Sir, cones and
Rod and cone cells. It is a rod and cone cells. Okay. So out of the rod and cone cells, what is the function of the rod cells? Yes, function of rod cells. Moksha will answer. Moksha, function of the rod cells.
Yes, sir.
What is the function of rod cells?
1 minute, sir. I'll just recall it.
What happened? Again, pardon.
Sir, it gives good vision to eye to low the height.
No, they respond to the intensity of light or brightness of light.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah. So they respond to intensity or brightness of light. Sumuk, what does the cone cells do?
Sir, can you repeat again?
Function of the cone cells. Now, what is the function of the cone cells?
Sir,
Aryan, what is the function of cone cells?
Sir, I think it is about colors, sir, that they handle the color.
Yeah, they respond to
The color.
color of light. Very good. So they respond to color of light, right? So we have got all these. Suppose if something like this, we are getting questions. See, in your syllabus, you don't have anything regarding the owl's eye. You don't have anything regarding uh, the eagle's eye. Okay, you don't have anything regarding the rat's eye, but the questions may be from there. You don't have an eye defect called night blindness, but you may have get a question from night blindness. Okay, so can anyone help? How does night blindness occur, or anything related with this topic that can play a role with the night blindness?
I guess it's due to vitamin deficiency.
Yeah, it is due to vitamin D, but what effect will be there on rod and cone cells? Can we link it with the rod and cone cells also?
I guess
Yes.
rod cells
So,
won't be active.
yeah, the person who is having night blindness, maybe he is having lesser number of the rod cells. Okay. So if a person is having night blindness, the person is having lesser number of the rod cells. Okay. And that lesser number of the rod cells which he has, it can be corrected by taking vitamin D. So vitamin D will help him improve with the rod cells. Got it?
Sir, can artificial lighting help?
Yeah, what happened?
Sir, can artificial lighting help, like a tube light, help him see at night?
Yeah, of course. Because generally what happens during the night blindness is the situation when there is a small amount of light, then he is not able to respond, he is not able to see. So generally during the evening time or night time, it happens that there is small amount of light and the person will not be able to observe because he has less number of the rod cells. Okay. If the number of rod cells increases, so he will be able to see in small amount of light. So in the same way, I can ask you that how is owl able to see even during the night? So
It
simply,
has no number of rod cells.
yeah, more number of the rod cells. Got it. Okay. By all of you, I think we have almost completed this chapter. We are just left with the eye defects. So we'll be discussing eye defect in next class.
Okay, sir.
By all of you, yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
And thank you for active participation.
Thank you,
Just
sir.
be okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.